Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. Hey, it's kind of a cloudy day, but man, have I got a pretty truck to show you today. This is a 2020 Freightliner M2 with a full-blown mechanic system on it. Man, I'll tell you what, this thing's got everything. If it ain't here, you don't need it. As I say, it's a 2020, very current. It's got a 6.7 Cummins hiding underneath that hood right there. It's got the strobe lights going on it for you. It's got the factory fog lights down there. And it's got these fabulous, I love these mirrors. They don't let anybody sneak up alongside of you when you're driving that thing. Tires on it are knee deep. Man, I can't say enough about this truck. Take a look at how clean this thing is. Mercy sakes alive. Hey, it's a little noisy right there. It's because I got the air compressor running. I just wanted you to see that everything on this is exactly what it should be. We're just going to shut him off. We don't need to have the competition right there. Oh, look at right here. Mercy sakes alive. You've got the American Eagle toolbox right here on top of everything else. Hey, look at the little lighting inside those cabinets. So speaking of lighting, LED work lights right there. Such a nice system. Hey guys, you guys up north, take a look at those floors. You're not going to see any rust on our stuff. Well, we don't let that happen. This is a Napa hide box right here. It's got everything you need. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What a nice unit. Hey, take a look at that heavy-duty strut right there. Stop that truck from moving around when you're using a crane. Hey, it's got more strobe lights. It's got more work lights on it right there, too. Heavy-duty hitch right there. Look at the size of those. Holy mackerel. Hey, Napahide makes a heck of a box. I tell you what, I love them. They've been in business forever, it seems like. You got your nice little fold-down tailgate. You got your little chain tie-down things right there. It looks like they might even be some type of a tank up there. I don't know if that's fuel. I don't know what that is. Haven't looked. Heck of a nice little Stellar crane on it. Nice little set right here. Look at here. This stabilizer here even extends out for you because the crane's on this side, and that's where you're going to have your weight. So that's a Stellar 7630 right there. There's your specifications on it. Look at the website. I will have a direct link right to Stellar's website so you can see all the actual specs. These are the controls for the stabilizers right there. This is the controls to turn all those things on. So if you don't have that little button turned on, that air compressor ain't gonna work, right? So there you go. You got extra little safety right there. Hey, we've got ourselves a little wireless control right here, and I'm just gonna flip this little switch. And look at there, it says it's a Stellar, and by golly, we are linked in, we are ready to go. So you know how those are. There's just a little button here that you have to hold in, and then you just tell it what you want it to do. I want you to go out. I want you to go up. I want the cable to come back and forth. Hey, it's even, let me let a little cable out there because this has even got an extending boom on it. Matter of fact, that's actually a 3-position. There's 2 extra ones that come out. So look up the specs on it, and their factory specs will tell you exactly what everything is on it. Nice unit. Gotta love this thing. It is absolutely fabulous. So tight, so ready. Good looking little unit. I love it. Hey, you got an air reel right there. Tires on it are knee deep. And I'll see if I can get a picture of this for you. Hopefully you'll be able to see that underneath there. Yep, that is air ride suspension. That kind of helps you a little bit going down the road with all that weight. So these are just empty cabinets on this side, but just like the other ones, they're lighted and they are absolutely rust free. This one over here has a holder for your torch tanks. It's got the nice vertical exhaust on it right there. Tires are knee deep all the way around. Look at how clean. It is absolutely remarkable. Interior of the truck looks just exactly like what you'd expect it to look like. Nice headliner, everything. All the lights, everything is right there, good for it. Such a nice little piece. As I mentioned when I started out here, underneath that hood's a fire-breathing 6.7 Cummins. I gotta love those fender mount mirrors. Those things are so awesome. You got the little strobe lights front and rear. You got the fog lights on it. Holy mackerel, this thing is ready to rock and roll, go to work for you. That's a 50-gallon stainless or aluminum fuel tank. The depth goes in right there. Air ride driver's seat. It's got a nice little thing right there to put that in. She's got everything on it, all the comforts of home. That's got cruise control built into it, delay wipers, of course, automatic transmission, power windows, power door locks, heat, air conditioning, all that kind of good stuff. Controls on off for the fog lights, traction control, PTO, air dump, regen if you need it. Another little suspension dump there. Air brakes, locks, windows, all that kind of. Up here you got a nice little clean little area right there. Nothing weird or dumb going on here. Such a cool little truck. Such a nice little truck. It's clean. Hey, you got the 3-passenger seating on here too. That's always kind of nice. So 2020 Freightliner M2 and a full-blown mechanics truck, air compressor on her, a Stellar 7630 PTO driven crane. Man, I tell you what, boys, I don't know what more you want. She's sitting here waiting for you right now. If you can use that beautiful 2020 mechanics truck, you give me a call. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as usual, I greatly appreciate you looking.